Hey guys, welcome back to the channel today. I'm not gonna do a game review today because I have some news to tell you. Well, um today is 20 New Year is 2021, and yeah, and I'm afraid I have to go back to school. Guys, I am still in school, but yeah, but I will gonna upload videos guys. I'm still gonna upload videos. Um I'm just letting you know. Um I am gonna record videos, but I if I don't get any home if I don't get any homework for like on weekends, I may will record videos. Okay, I'm just saying, guys, like on the rest of this year, like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, yeah, I'm not gonna be able to record videos on those days. Those are my school days. But guys, if I don't get homework on the school days, I will may record videos. All right. So yeah, guys, I want to apologize. I am sorry. I'm just gonna say Happy New Year, everyone. And this video was quick, and this was an important announcement. Thank you for listening. Let's keep the Electro Army strong.